Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First one, let's select this background layer and lock. Then go to here, enable action save. And let's select this background and GIF objects. Let's hide. Okay. And let's delete this line layer. Go to pen tool. I want to create new line with shape layers. And let's go to here. Hold shift. Make one line. Click selection tool. And go to fill. Select none for close inside color. And stroke color black. Stroke width 6. Okay. And let's select this shape layer, change name line. Okay. Then let's hold Ctrl and double click palm behind icon for move to anchor point center. Click selection tool, go to window, enable align, and click this icon and this icon for move the object to center. Okay, right now let's move to down this layer like this and select these circles. Let's move to down also. Okay, then let's press P, make new patching keyframe, and let's go to 1 second, move to up, go to here some keyframes, and let's move to down and select keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor and select this graph. Let's move to left, select this graph, move to right. Let's see. Nice. Back to keyframes and select all keyframes. Let's hold alt, move to left for spatial animation. Let's say again. Nice. So right now let's select this keyframe. Let's move to left a little bit. Okay, nice. And let's select these GIF 1 enable, GIF 2 and GIF 3. And let's move to here. Okay. And let's select this line. Let's move it up like this. Okay. And go to first second and select these first keyframes and move it up here. Let's see. Nice. And go to here, select last position keyframes, move it up. And let's select keyframe, let's move to left like this. And select this, move to left like this. And last keyframe, move to here. Let's see. Nice. Okay, let's go to first keyframes. And let's select this circle, move to right. And select this circle, move to left. Let's animation. Okay, very good. So let's go to here. Okay, and select this GIF 3. Let's go to solo and other GIFs, go to solo. And select palm behind. Let's move the anchor point down. Okay, let's click this for see background. And move it down like this. Nice. Select this GIF 2. Move it down. And finally select GIF 1. Move it down also anchor point. Okay. So in this time click selection tool and select this first GIF, GIF 2. Go to first second, press S and click this icon, change scale 0. make sketch keyframe, go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard, or click here, write +10, click OK, change scale 110, go to 10 keyframe again, change 95, go to again 10 keyframe, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. So let's unsolo GIF layers and let's see timing. Okay, let's move to right this GIF. Okay, and in this time select this circle and go to last keyframe, go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete this part. Let's see. Nice. We can select these scale keyframes and hold Alt, move to the left a little bit for fast scale. Okay, let's see. Nice. Let's select this GIF 2 and this circle, go to solo. Okay, very nice. Okay, so select this circle, let's select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's select this graph, move to right for flat falling. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this GIF 2, move to right a little bit. Okay, nice. Let's unsolo. Okay, so in this time, select these scale keyframes. Let's Ctrl C, select GIF 3, move to right, and Ctrl V. Let's move to right these keyframes. Okay. And let's see timing. Select this circle. Let's make someone. Select keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's select this graph, move to right, and this move to right. Okay. And go to last keyframe, go to edit, split layer, and delete. Okay, let's move to left this. Nice. So select this circle 1 and go to last keyframe, make split layer, delete, and let's make step-by-step animation. Select first this, let's move to right, and this move to right. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's move to left a little bit. Nice. We can change this GIF, move to right like this. Also this GIF. Okay, nice. So, and select this GIF. Let's move to right, press S and click this icon, go to first keyframe, Ctrl V. Nice. And right now let's move to here. Okay, that's good. Timing is very important for these animations. And let's close all keyframe settings and select these lines and GIF layers. Click this icon for motion blur and enable here. Let's see. Nice. We can change some scale keyframes. Let's close motion blur and press S, click this icon. And right now make scale keyframe, go to here, change scale like this. Let's see. Nice. We can change more scale. Okay, let's see. Nice. And let's go to here. In this time, make scale keyframe again. Go to some keyframes, change scale. Okay, let's see. Nice. Very good. Select scale keyframes, make easies. And select these keyframes, Ctrl C, select this circle 1, go to here, Ctrl V, and circle 3, press S, go to here, again make some 1, click this icon. Okay, very good. So select this circle, press S, let's move to right these scale keyframes. Nice, very good. So let's close keyframe settings and select this check layer, go to solo and move to right. Let's move to here and let's press P, make new position keyframe, go to some keyframes, move to up and go to here, hold shift press T, make opacity keyframe, go to some keyframes, change 0. Let's see. Nice, select keyframes, make ease. And go to here, hold shift press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe, go to here and change rotation 25. Nice. And select this check, let's move to behind GIF layers. Okay, let's move to here. Nice, and Ctrl D, move to right, press P, select position keyframes, go to last keyframe and move to left. Again Ctrl D, press P, select position keyframes, move to left here. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this layer, move to left. Okay, very good. Let's do full animation. Nice. So let's make this part. Select this circle, press S and change scale 0. Let's see. Nice. And select other layer, select this, press S, change scale 0. Nice, close scale keyframes and select circle 3, press S, make scale 0, first keyframe. Okay, let's select keyframes, move to right. Okay, and let's select this, press S again, go to here and let's move to right these keyframes. Nice, very good. So in this time, let's select this line, go to add, open team paths, change end keyframe 0, go to first second, make end keyframe and go to some keyframes, change end 100. Select keyframes, make easies, go to graph editor, make graph smooth. Let's see. Nice. Okay, very nice. So let's select this background 2 layer, let's enable and move the anchor point down, click session 2 and move to here. Okay, and let's move to right, press S, open scale, click this icon and change scale 0, make scale keyframe and go to some keyframes, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies and go to graph editor. Let's make graph like this. Okay, let's move to left. Okay, very nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.